Welcome to Venture Road, I'm Armel.
And I'm Helena. Venture Road is a series of films exploring what happens when the Californian and the Nordic life science worlds meet.
In this film, we'll talk about capital and commercialization, because without them, too many great innovations will just stay in the lab.
The Nordics are known for world-class science.
But great science isn't enough. Without a commercial mindset and capital, great science might just stay in the lab.
The people we met in California, they highlighted the gap between Nordic innovation and global markets.
External, international financiers can come in on the Swedish market, so remove any kind of obstacles. And we have identified that that's probably one of the challenges. And I think that at JP Morgan, I was invited to a breakfast meeting with the Swedes, and that was one of the things that I was highlighting, that if we could identify those hurdles, because there's so much great science in the Nordic countries. It's sitting there in potentially preclinical or phase 1, but to take it further, you need bigger investments. But the kind of science and technology that we have available in the Nordics is amazing.
The recipe that we've kind of landed on with our work with the Karolinska Group is, the value of it is coming from these really different perspectives. We have people like our CMO who has really strong insight into the regulatory and clinical development side. We have the strong voice from the Karolinska Group, focus representing the patient, the biology, the treatment of those patients. And then some of us on the business side are thinking about, well, how do we get it funded? How do we get it paid for? I think we're always going to strive to have at least those 3 elements in all our teams. So my encouragement is to others in California is to really take advantage of the insights that are coming from some of the Nordic institutions and the research groups that are out there. I think it's just there's a different perspective that's coming.
And so we just need to find a way to bridge there. And I think then that would be, helping not only the Nordic companies, but also the investors who are really looking for good, innovative, scientific solutions. And which I know we have a very, unique situation in the Nordic countries, where we have so many sort of good innovations and scientific opportunities that may not come to fruition unless we can get those investments and understand what is the development path. What's the smartest way to do this?
Next, we talk about the Californian strengths.